Ukraine begins pretty clear. We've got a stack of recent defense news, some deep analysis on this system.
And we're going to unpack it for you. The single biggest problem on the front line.
Survivability.
Exactly. The need to shoot and scoot, to fire and then move instantly. The battlefield is so dangerous, so transparent now.
And the RCH-155 is unique because it can do something no other system really can.
It can fire on the move.
On the move, not just stop, fire quickly, and leave, but actually fire while traveling.
A capability that was basically designed from the hard lessons learned in Ukraine.
And here's the second piece, which is just fascinating. Ukraine is the first user
The launch operator.
for this cutting-edge German system. They have 54 on order, and they're getting them before Germany's own army. Has been really clear on this. The whole battlefield has changed.
It's all about drones and electronic warfare, or EW. Drones are everywhere, acting as spotters.
And
Unmanned turrets. And of course, that extreme shoot and scoot capability. The whole thing is designed to be plugged into a digital drone-enabled network.
so the humans are almost like system managers, away from the actual gun.
Precisely. It's a trend we're seeing in Ukraine's own developments too, like their Bodana howitzer. But the RCH-155 is just, well, it's the state of the art.
Okay, let's get under the hood then. A gun that powerful on a wheeled vehicle, wouldn't the recoil just flip it over or ruin the accuracy?
That's the secret sauce, the engineering challenge that KNDS, the manufacturer, solved. It's a combination of advanced suspension and a really sophisticated computerized fire control system in the turret.
So the turret itself manages the recoil.
It compensates for it instantly. So yes, you do give up a little hit them from a long way away.
And the results were pretty dramatic.
Very. In the simulation, the RCH-155 engaged more targets and had a 50% lower failure rate from enemy fire than the tracked PZH-2000.
50% lower. Just because it was constantly on the move.
Exactly. It was most effective when it was firing on the move using smart ammunition.
Right, those are the rounds that have their own sensors to find and hit the top armor of a tank.
So you turn this artillery piece into a fast, long-range tank hunter that never sits still. It's a completely new way of thinking about anti-armor defense.
Okay, so Ukraine is getting 54 of these. That's enough
Two brains, the German fire control and the Ukrainian targeting network, they aren't speaking the same language fluently yet.
It's like a digital brain transplant.
That's a great way to put it. Cropiva is what lets a drone operator send target coordinates directly to the gun's computer instantly.
You bypass all the verbal radio commands, the manual data entry.
All the stuff that adds seconds, even minutes to the process. To get that 2-minute kill chain, you have to eliminate all of that. It has to be seamless.
And it's really a testament to Ukraine's expertise that the manufacturer, KNDS, Ukraine's role here, as the launch operator for this system, it means that all the real-world battle data they gather over the next year, how the system really performs when integrating mobility, automation, and these digital networks.
That data is going to be priceless.
It's going to shape the artillery buying decisions of every major NATO country for the next decade.
The war isn't just using up old weapons. It's actively designing the future arsenal of the West. And every defense ministry in Europe will be watching Ukraine's experience with the RCH-155.
You've been listening to Defense Report by Alex and Aria, where we analyze the latest in military strategy, global defense, and advanced weaponry. And a final reminder, subscribe to Defense Reports, your go-to source for timely, in-depth military and defense reports. We'll catch you next time.